Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by choosing legal music you can use in Roblox games. Use royalty-free tracks or your own recordings to avoid copyright strikes. Convert audio to MP3, OGG, or WAV format before uploading to Roblox. Make sure the file size is under 20 MB and the audio length is under 7 minutes per upload. Name the file clearly so you can find it later in Asset Manager or Creator Dashboard. These steps speed moderation and prevent rejected uploads. Sign into Roblox on the website and go to Create then Audio in the Creator Dashboard. Click Upload and select your prepared MP3, OGG, or WAV file to submit. Enter a clear title, short description, and an appropriate genre tag before submitting. Wait for Roblox moderation to approve the audio asset, which can take minutes to hours. Once approved, copy the numeric asset ID displayed on the audio page for use in Studio. Keep the asset ID safe for game scripting. Open Roblox Studio and open your place where the music will play. Insert a sound object inside Sound Service or Workspace to make global or local audio. Set the sound ID property to RB's assetted, / followed by your numeric asset ID copied earlier. Adjust volume, looped, and time position properties to control playback behavior. Use sound play or set playing equals true in a script to start music when needed. Script triggers, fades, and stop calls give clean transitions and save.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.